Hi there, students. Bounty. Okay, bounty is a noun, both countable and uncountable. I think as a countable noun, a bounty is money paid as a reward. So sometimes in these cowboy films you have a bounty hunter. This is somebody who looks for criminals and takes them to the authorities and receives a bounty. Yeah? When you see this wanted poster, wanted, $1,000 reward, the $1,000, this is the bounty. So a bounty has been offered for his capture. And then bounty as an uncountable noun. This talks about kindness. So thank you for your bounty. Thank you for your kindness. Bounty, being willing to give money. So the organization is completely dependent on the bounty of its benefactors. With this meaning of bounty, you could have bounteous, kind, generous. And then bounty, we can also use it to mean a plenty, a large amount of something. So there was a bounty of good things in the parcel that they had sent me, a large amount. And here I would use bounteous as the adjective, lots of. The meal consisted of a bounteous amount of rice, a large amount of, and the people who gave us the food were very bounteous. They were very kind. They were very willing to give. So, a bounty. Money paid as a reward, normally for the capture of somebody, of a criminal or somebody bad. You also, when soldiers joined the army, they were given a bounty, money for signing. That could also be a bounty, but I think mostly you will see this phrase in a bounty hunter, somebody who goes looking for criminals to take them and collect the bounty. A bounty of something, a large amount of something, particularly used with food. Okay, so the bounty provided by the land round here is bounteous. There's a lot of it. He gave bounteously. I think he gave bounteously. He gave bountifully. I think you could probably use both. I think bountifully, a lot of money, and bounteously, generously. Okay, so bounty, a lot of. Now, as a Brit, when I hear this word bounty, I think the first thing I think of is a chocolate bar that has coconut inside it. But that's called bounty. And then the next thing I think of is Mutiny on the Bounty and Captain Bligh. This was a ship where there was a mutiny led by Fletcher Christian while they were in Pitcairn Island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so Mutiny on the Bounty. But a bounty, a prize. Okay, so the government is paying a bounty of £100 for each of these animals captured. Okay, so it's a reward. There was a bounty of good things, plenty of good things. The bounty of his donation, the generosity of his donation. So he's a very bounteous person, very generous. There was a bountiful amount of cheering. Okay, a large amount, a very large amount. So let's see, bounty. Formality. Well, I guess a bounty hunter, they offered a bounty. I think I'm going to give it 5.5 in formality, use anywhere. And then bountiful and bounteous. These definitely are much more formal. I think I would give them 7. Use semi-formal conversation, maybe better as semi-formal writing or above. Okay, so also I think bounty, when you use it to mean generosity. Yeah, I'm dependent on your bounty. This sounds pretty literary and rather formal. Yeah. And I'd probably give bounty in this meaning a 7 in formality, again, using semi-formal writing. So let's see. As to origin, well, it comes from modern French, bonté, from Latin, bonitas, meaning the goodness, the excellence of something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bounty. Bountiful. Bounteous.